Viewers, I am Prasanna. In this video, I am going to explain 3.1 exercise in third unit simple equations. Right? In the last video, I have discussed what is equation, what is simple equation, how to transpose with transposing method, without transposing method, trial and error method, all this. Right? Now, in this exercise, in the first bit, write LHS and RHS of the following simple equations. They are asking LHS. What is mean by LHS, children? Left hand side. RHS means right hand side. They gave first one as 2x equal to 10. In this, they are asking you to write which is LHS, which is RHS. So LHS is what here? Left hand. This is left hand side and this is right hand side. So LHS is 2x. And what about RHS, children? 10. Similarly, one more I am taking 4z plus 1 equal to 8. So which is LHS here? LHS is equal to 4z plus 1 and RHS equal to 8. Next, I am taking alternate sums, children, because this is very simple and very easy bit. You can write in this 14 equal to 27 minus y. What is LHS here? LHS is nothing but 14 and RHS is nothing but here 27 minus y. Right? Next, seventh one they are asking 7m equal to 14. So LHS is what here? 7m and RHS is what here? 14. Right? Second question. Solve the following equations by trial and error method. Trial and error method means we have to check with the other numbers, right? We have to check which number is correct here. Now first one, 2 plus y equal to 7. If you see the question, you know easily you can say what is y here. How much we should add for 2 to get 7? Yes, 7 minus 2, that gives you 5. 2 plus 5 gives you 7. But we have to solve this equation by trial and error method. So for this we have to write one table like substituting the value. Like 6th class you have done. Right? Next, LHS. Next, RHS. Next is LHS equal to RHS. These are the 4 headings, children. So first one, y equal to 0 you take. From 0 you start. Okay. Now what is the LHS here? 2 plus y. Here 2 plus y. Here LHS and RHS is 7. So in place of y, we have to substitute 0 here. We have to check with the numbers. Right? So 2 plus 0. 2 plus 0 is how much? You got 2. LHS equal to 2 and RHS you have 7. Is LHS equal to RHS here? 2 equal to 7? No, 2 is not equal to 7. Now we'll go for the next number, y equal to 1. Substitute in place of y, 1. So 2 plus 1 is how much? 3. And RHS is 7. Here RHS remains same because it is 7 constant, right? Now here 3 equal to 7. Is there 3 is equal to 7? No, not equal. Next, y equal to 2. So 2 plus 2, how much? 4. And RHS is 7. Is 4 equal to 7, children? No. Next, y equal to 3. 2 plus 3 equal to how much? 5. And RHS you got as 7. Is 5 equal to 7? No. Next, y equal to 4. 2 plus 4, that is 6. And RHS is 7. Is 6 equal to 7? No. Next, y equal to 5. 2 plus 5, that is 7. And RHS is 7. Is LHS equal to RHS? Yes, 7 equal to 7 you got. Here LHS equal to RHS you got same. At what value of y you are getting LHS equal to RHS? At y equal to 5. Therefore, y equal to 5 is the solution. Solution of 2 plus y equal to 7. This is trial and error method. Second one, a minus 2 equal to 6. Here, what is the variable here? A. Right? For what value of a? Here we can guess, children. It's very easy. From what number we have to subtract 2 so that you are going to get 6. 8 minus 2 is nothing but 6. Here, what is the value of a by guess method? 8. Now we will see by trial and error method. So you can start with 0 or you can start with 1. So here LHS is what? A minus 2. RHS is what? 6. Now Substitute A equal to 1 in LHS, that is in place of A you have to substitute 1. So 1 minus 2. 1 minus 2 is how much? Minus 1. And RHS is 6. Is minus 1 equal to 6? No. Next A equal to 2. So 2 minus 2. 2 minus 2 is how much? 0. And RHS is 6. Is 0 is equal to 6? No. Next A equal to 3. 3 minus 2. How much? 1. And RHS is 6. Is 1 equal to 6 children? No. Next A equal to 4. That is 4 minus 2. 2. And RHS is 6. Is 2 is equal to 6? No. Next A equal to 5. That is 5 minus 2. 3. And RHS is 6. Is 3 equal to 6? No. Next A equal to 6. Substitute 6 in place of A, that is 6 minus 2, how much? 4. And RHS will be same because it is a constant, right? Now is 4 equal to 6 here? No. Next A equal to 7, that is 7 minus 2, how much? 5. And RHS is 6, is 5 is equal to 6? No. Next A is equal to 8. Substitute 8 in place of A, that is 8 minus 2 is equal to 6. And RHS is 6. Here LHS and RHS are equal. So at what value of A you are getting LHS equal to RHS? At A equal to 8. Therefore A equal to 8 is the solution of A minus 2 equal to 6. 5m equal to 15. Here 5m is what children? 5 into m. So for 5 what we have to multiply so that you are going to get 15? You know 5 into 3 gives you 15. 5m is nothing but 5 into m. So LHS is 5m here, RHS is 15, right? Now I am going to take values now. Here m you can take 1, right? Substitute in place of m 1. So 5 into 1, that is 15 here, right? 5 into 1 is how much? 5. RHS is 15. Is LHS equal to RHS? No. Next m equal to 2 you take. So 5 into 2, how much? 10. And RHS is 15. Is 10 is equal to 15? No. Next m equal to 3. 5 into 3, how much? 15. So here 15. So LHS equal to RHS here? Yes. At what value of m is LHS equal to RHS here? M equal to 3. Therefore, m equal to 3 is the solution. Solution of 5m equal to 15. Next, 2n equal to 14. 2n is what here? 2 into n. So LHS is 2n and RHS is 14. Now we have to check at what value LHS equal to RHS. So 2n equal to 14. So take n. Here n is what? Variable, right? And 14 is a constant. So n equal to 1 when you take, substitute n equal to 1 in place of n in the LHS. So 2 into 1, how much children? 2. And RHS is 14. And 2 is equal to 14 here? No. Next n equal to 2 you take. So 2 into 2, how much? 4. So RHS is 14. Is 4 equal to 14? No. Next n equal to 3. 2 into 3, how much? 6. And here is 14. Is 6 equal to 14 children? No. Next n equal to 4. 2 into 4. How much? 8. Here this is 14. 8 is equal to 14? No. Next n equal to 5. So 2 into 5. How much? 10. So 14. Is 10 is equal to 14? No. Next n equal to 6. 2 into 6. 2 6 are 12. And RHS is 14. Is 12 is equal to 14? No. Next n equal to 7. So 2 into 7. 2 7s are 14 and RHS is 14. So LHS equal to RHS. At what value of n you are getting LHS equal to RHS? At n equal to 7. Therefore, n equal to 7 is the solution of 2n equal to 14. So by this sum we completed 3.1 exercise.